In this video, we will see how we can make a pen drive bootable or any USB a bootable. So for installing operating system on your system, on your computer system, the first thing that you require is a bootable USB drive, or we can say you need an operating system to install that particular operating system on your computer system. So for installing computer system, there are two options. You can directly use a bootable CD or DVD, or you can make a pen drive bootable with that particular operating system. For example, if you want to install Windows, then you have to make your pen drive bootable with Windows operating system. And if you have to install any other operating system like Linux or Unix, then you have to make your pen drive bootable with that particular operating system. So here I will give a demo how we can make a pen drive bootable with with a Linux operating system. Okay, let's say I want to install Linux on my computer system. So I will first make my USB drive or my USB stick a bootable with Linux operating system. So for this particular video, I will use this Ubuntu version of Linux. And for making my pen drive bootable, I am going to use this particular software, which is called a Rufus. So first thing is that I have to download this particular software. So you can go to this particular website, rufs.ie, and you can download Rufs from here. Also, for making a pen drive bootable with an operating system, you need an ISO image of that particular operating system. For example, you want Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10, you have to first download the ISO image or ISO file of that particular operating system. And since I said that I will be making my pen drive bootable with Ubuntu 16.04, so I have to download the ISO image of this particular operating system. So on this particular website, I will download the desktop image. So there are two versions, 64-bit PC AMD based systems. So mostly we have Intel based systems. So we will download this particular image file or ISO file. So I will click here and it will get downloaded. So I have already downloaded it here. You can see on the screen. So now I will run this particular rough step. So this window has opened, and now after that, here you have to select in this device section, you have to select your pen drive, in which the pen drive which you want to make bootable. So I have already selected the name of my pen drive is Ubuntu this. So it is the name that I have given to my pen drive. You can give any other name. And then here you have to choose the ISO file. Okay. So we have already downloaded this particular ISO file. So we will select this particular ISO file. Now let's suppose you have Windows ISO file, then you have to select Windows if you want your pen drive to be bootable with Windows. So I am opening it. Then let's keep everything default. Okay, let's not change anything. Then here we have start. So let's keep it as it is. And it will say that all the data on the pen drive will be erased. So, okay. So now in the status bar, it will show you the status of making your pen drive bootable. So when this status says that ready, that means it has completed, then our operating or our USB drive is a bootable drive with operating system Ubuntu 16.04. Then you can use this particular pen drive to install this particular operating system on any PC or any laptop. Okay, so let's wait for this to get completed. So here in the status, you can see that it is saying ready. Ready means that my pen drive has become bootable. Now you can close it here and you can see your pen drive. For example, here, everything is there in this pen drive and this pen drive has become bootable. Now you can use this particular pen drive to install this particular operating system on your PC. So in the next video, we will see how we can use this same uh, pen drive to install Ubuntu 16 on our computer system.